Purchase requisitions. Help purchasing managers zone in on what's most important and eliminate multiple orders to the same vendor. Purchase requisitions allow for purchasing managers to select multiple purchase requisitions and generate one PO per vendor. Quickly view all purchase requisitions in one spot to organize, consolidate and plan purchase requests by item. Planners to generate purchase requisitions directly from the planning dashboard with a simple click on the item needed. Let's check out how simple purchase requisitions can be. Creating purchase requisitions in Revive is a breeze. Start by finding the item you want to create a purchase requisition for and click on the plus, which will bring up a screen that populates the item and quantity. Once you select the due date, simply save and you will see that it has been saved successfully. Now that the purchase requisitions have been created, is it possible that purchase orders are that simple as well? In Revive, on the Purchase Requisitions screen, you will see there are many different purchase requisitions for several different items and vendors. In order to narrow down our options, we are going to search by vendor, which pulls up purchase requisitions for only that selected vendor. From there we can see if multiple people have put in similar requests, or what we feel is necessary to order. If there are some that you would like to remove, you can click on Actions and decline the purchase requisition. In this instance, there are several purchase requisitions that look to be duplicates and are not needed at this time. So we are going to click on Actions for these 3 duplicates and decline them, making our options for the PO clearer. Now that we have the purchase requisitions we can select to put all of them on one PO to the vendor. Clicking Actions and Generate PO lets you select the vendor you would like the PO created for. And if you have them in your current vendors, it will automatically populate the PO for you. After you have reviewed the PO and added any other desired information, you are all set and the PO has been created, allowing you to quickly move on to the next PO needed from purchase requisitions. Streamline purchase requisitions. Sort by vendor. Select all or specific requests for POs. Generate one PO for multiple requests. Watch for more ways to add value to your company with Revive.